Hello guys, Awesome76 here with another Wii Party video. So today in my last video, I kind of rage quit and swap me. So I'll try it again and hope the same result doesn't happen. Chances are it probably will. I'll do it 2 more times. Alright, here's our lineup. Yoko, Marissa, and Stephanie. Let's do this. Okay, step 1. Alright, so far this is a good start. Of course, mini game I can destroy these computers at. You guys know you should use the A or B button to shoot. Only advice from me is to wait for it to almost hit the bottom, and then just shoot it all the way to the top. Wait for it to hit the bottom, then shoot to the top. Literally, it's just a pattern. Good start so far. Alright, balloon buggies. I have to drive like really well in order to have a chance. Once I backed up, yeah, that was it for me. Now I can't even hit anything. I was right there, and all of a sudden I miss it. Every time I back up, I miss the balloon. Okay, this is not even fair. At this point, it's not even fair. Okay, it felt like I pushed Yoko into it. I'm driving around it and not into it. First set and I'm already losing my mind already. Well, this is a great start, of course. Alright, at least I have a 1 to go. I need that, and I need that badly. Please don't be an awful minigame. Of course, when there's a tray online, a luck-based minigame is here. Every time when there's something good, a stupid minigame pops up. Like, come on! I'm already annoyed. I just started this and I'm already annoyed. Even if I win this, if someone else doesn't get hit, if I don't get hit and another person gets hit, I have to do a dice roll, and guess what? I'll lose in that. So far, this is actually going well. I didn't even get one hit once that whole time. That's something rare. That's something incredibly rare. I almost never win this minigame because, of course, it's luck based. I needed to win that minigame badly too. So that's a good 6 points for me, I guess. Okay, only chance of me winning this is timing this. Jump right. Only chance of you winning that, you have to time it like, perfectly. I'm thinking, should I risk it? I'm risking it. Ooh, look at that. That was lucky.
One to go.
The thing is, I really don't need the wild, but I could use it just to get like bonus points. If I win this minigame, that is.
Start. Finish.
Now, who got closer? Oh god, watch me lose this dice roll. Of course. Every time I do a dice roll, I lose in it. I needed to win that minigame too. Jeez.
One to go.
Okay, this minigame is important to me. Please don't be luck based. Oh, this is easy. This is gonna be so easy. Watch how fast I make it to the finish.
Start.
That was pretty easy. It's all agreed. Everyone should agree with me on this. This minigame is easy if you just keep turning the wheel around. Oh, if you guys hear fireworks outside, just ignore that. I think I won the game automatically because I have so many points. Yeah, I won the game. Let's see how my setup looks. I think this was another timing minigame. I gotta get Simon to smile perfectly. I probably didn't get that. Yeah, I did awful. Everyone else gets first but me. Whenever that happens, I can't help but just get pissed off.
Where'd you go?
Oh, please be good. I guess. The only chance of me winning this one has got to be 2 at a time. This isn't good. Oh, get Stephanie. Come on now. Don't tell me I'm gonna get dead last again. Right now, I don't even have the patience to go through dead last again. Or to dead last again. Oh, great. Watch me do this dice roll with Marissa and lose. I'm surprised I won that somehow. But it doesn't matter. 3rd place means nothing at this point.
Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
Alright, I just need a green for the win. I just need a green, that's it. I hope I don't get punched first. You know, Yoko's been a nuisance to me this whole time. I gotta go after her. I wanted to go after her first, but at least I won otherwise. All I need is a green. That's all I need. I got so lucky on that, it's not even funny. I got incredibly lucky. I think I got 3 times 2 like every set. So that's pretty impressive. Gee, I wonder who won this. You guys should already know. Marissa didn't get any points. That's sad. I feel bad for Marissa now. Look at that. I got a 3 times 2 in every set. How impressive is that? So guys, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. You guys already know what to do. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later.